Well, you know what? She'll have to deal with it. I'm the, you know me. I reason with her. I try to, I mean, regardless of how she feels, that's his dad. And your dad, oh my gosh, look at her.
You playing? Bless you.
She keeps doing that. She keeps going over.
Funny look on her face. They really miss each other.
I know. Well, I have proof. I could show him.
You're funny. Come on, brother.
Oh my gosh, she keeps doing that. You're cracking me up. I never saw her do that with him. Be easy. Easy. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. You're so silly. Oh, he's like, oh.